What's up, guys? Today we are in Artavia, a master plan community located here in Conroe. Now this house behind me is built by Highland Homes, listed for $575,000. It's gonna give you 4 beds, 3.5 baths, over 3,500 square feet of living space, which is absolutely massive. Tall ceilings, beautiful dream kitchen that you guys are gonna wanna see. Now this is a brand new home, never lived in. It's gonna be zoned to the Conroe ISD school district, which is gonna put you in San Jacinto Elementary, Moorhead Junior High, and Caney Creek High School. And it's gonna give you a 9,000 square foot lot. Now you're gonna find more information about the community, the amenities, and the house itself down in the description, as well as my contact. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, guys, to begin the tour, as you guys can see, you are gonna be on a cul-de-sac lot with some other homes being built around you. You have this beautiful garden where you can add flowers of your liking. And another nice feature of this house is that it's gonna be all side brick. You're gonna see this white brick all throughout. For your garage, you are gonna get this dark gray garage. And it looks like a 2-car garage, but it's actually able to fit 3 cars. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. Are gonna have a covered front porch with recessed sliding and some wood beams. This is perfect if you want to add a table, some rocking chairs, taking a look at your front. Now let's take a look inside at this beautiful property. Again, 3,500 square feet, which is absolutely insane. Now, as we step in, you can see these 20+ high ceilings, chandelier there. Now in the bottom, you are gonna have this luxury vinyl tile leading into your first room, which is gonna be your at-home office. You have some windows there, taking a look at your front yard and your garden. Now let's go ahead and make our way further into the house. Again, to our left, we are actually gonna find our first bedroom and bathroom. This one is secluded. It's perfect for teenagers who are older and any in-laws or guests that may be staying over the night. You are gonna have a bedroom and actually 2 closets. This is gonna be the first one of the 2. And they're actually pretty spacious. You can see they're actually walk-in. And the reason these are perfect for those people I mentioned is because they have an ensuite. So they can spend the night and have their own privacy and their own tub shower combo bathroom. You can see this white tile making up the shower, some glass shelving there. With silver finishes, you find your toilet and your single sink. And let's take a look at this second closet I was mentioning. As you can see, extra storage space there and carpet in the bedrooms. Let's make our way further into the house. Let's go ahead and start with this right side now. Here is where you're gonna find your garage, your laundry room there, and a half bath here for your guests. Half bath, toilet, and then let's go ahead and look into the laundry, which is gonna have this stone tile finish for the flooring. Your washer and dryer connections there, along with some shelving space and your pre-wiring for any security cameras, internet that you might install after closing, as well as these water pipes. If you want to add a sink here, that is an option already pre-wired for you. Now your garage, like I said, is going to be a 3-car garage featuring one of the biggest features of these new construction homes is this tankless water heater, which provide instant hot water for you guys, and extra storage space here for maybe any seasonal items, weed whackers, rakes, stuff like that. Now for the 3-car garage, this is what I was talking about. You can fit 2 cars here in the front and then an extra one back there. Another thing is your own sprinkler system with that Rainbird. You find your breaker in here as well as extra storage space here and access to the attic. Now across from this hallway is gonna be your media room. Now this you can use as a theater. As you can see, it's completely isolated, no windows here, so it'd be perfect for theaters. Now across from the theater room, you are gonna find this coat closet, conveniently placed for any brooms, sweepers you might need. Now to get into the actual main part of this house, you can already see you have some elegant spiral staircase, a glimpse of your kitchen, but let's go ahead and keep moving forward. And you're gonna be met with your absolutely huge living area with over 20-foot high ceilings. You can see an abundance of recessed lighting and natural light coming in from outside. Cabinet space on both sides of your fireplace and even more space on this side with mullion cabinets up top. Now your countertops are gonna be made out of quartz, having this tile backsplash. Tons of cabinet space, Let me go ahead and show you guys. And they're actually sectioned off, as you can see. Now your fireplace is gonna be made out of white brick, just like your exterior. You're also gonna find floating shelves on both sides of the fireplace, even more space to decorate with family pictures and memories that you and your family have created along the years. And then to the left is where you're gonna find your absolutely gorgeous dream kitchen. Floor to ceiling cabinets with stainless steel appliances built in. And in the middle, you are gonna find this very unique oval island, giving you tons of bar stool area all over around. You can see dishwasher there, a sink with gold finishes, and 2 windows. And here in the corner is gonna be one of your pantries. Tons of space and shelving. These are actually very thick as well. This is where you're gonna find your 5-burner stove built in, tons of cabinet space here as well. Recessed lighting above and more mullion cabinets along the top. And this is gonna be your second pantry. This house is facing east, so when the sun is setting, all that light is gonna be coming from the west, entering and illuminating this whole area. Now in the corner, before going to the primary, you're gonna have more space here, access to your backyard and your primary. So your primary is gonna have no carpet. Super nice feature is this bay window, letting in, again, tons of natural light, tray ceilings above. And here is where you're gonna find one of the, again, best features of this house being the bathroom. First of all, as you can see, you get dual sinks, tons of cabinet space. This whole section was just dedicated to your sinks and vanity with a window in the middle, letting in more natural light. Super tall mirrors there on both his and hers. Now, as we turn around, you are gonna find a soak-in tub and a oversized walk-in shower. You are gonna see that they have a silver trim around. Let's go ahead and open it, and you are gonna find this tile coming all the way from the bottom, all the way to the top, which is awesome. Next to that is gonna be your privacy toilet and more space here for your towels, toothpaste, shampoo you may need. Now in the corner next to the sink is where you're gonna find your huge walk-in closet. You have hanging space all around, shelving here, and even more over here. And again, no carpet in this owner suite at all. Let's take a look at your backyard. Again, a 9,000 square foot lot. Take a look at this covered patio, recessed lighting, and again, super tall ceilings, which allow for all these windows to be included. Another nice feature of this house is that you are gonna have no back neighbors. And if we take a look at this right here, is a gas line. If you wanna go ahead and add an outdoor kitchen or grill to cook up some steaks, that is right there, conveniently placed already. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second floor, which to get access to, you are gonna have this very elegant spiral staircase for people who celebrate Christmas. That is the perfect spot to add a Christmas tree when the holidays come around. When you make your way up and arrive to the second floor, you can truly see how tall this house is, taking a look down. Now here you're gonna find your second living area with carpet. Now personally, what I would do with this place is add a pool table to go ahead and hang out with friends. This area is perfect for that. Right next to that is gonna be your third bedroom, giving you carpet. Again, a nice size closet considering it is a secondary bedroom, and it actually has a bathroom. It is not a private bathroom as it does go ahead and exit to that side, but you are able to go ahead and close this door, lock it, and then you have this whole bathroom just to yourself. So you have your toilet, a tub shower combo here, and you do have your single sink here, some white cabinets. It is shared, like I said. Over here you have another vanity, and again, if you want to go ahead and close this off, there we go. Now we have this area just as a bathroom. And right next to that is going to be your fourth bedroom, pretty similar to that last one. Now that is it for the full tour of this absolutely stunning Highland home. If you guys want to take a private tour or just want to see how the home buying process works, my information is going to be down in the description, as well as more information on the community. This community offers tons of amenities. They're going to be listed down in the description, and more information about the house. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.